Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to make a return on AliExpress. Open AliExpress application on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right corner of your screen and go to My Orders tab. Now find order that you want to return, then tap on it to open its details, and then find button Returns and Refunds. So your screen should look approximately like this. First of all, you should answer a few questions. First question is, did you receive your item? And select answer yes. The second question, do you want to return your item? And the answer should be as well yes. Then you should provide a reason why you basically request your return. So tap this arrow right here and you will see a list of reasons. So just simply pick one reason that best describes your situation. Tap continue button, and here in this line you can indicate your refund amount, of course if you want to get your refund. Tap continue, and now you should confirm your return method. So there are two methods available. The first one is AliExpress free return service, and second method is self drop off. So think about it and decide for yourself which method will work out for you better. Then tap continue button. Next, you can provide more information about your situation. Right here in this box you can write a few sentences where you in details explain what exactly happened. So explain your issue. That way seller, you have higher chances that seller will approve your request. And in the end, you can upload a photo, your video or screenshot to the seller as a proof. And finally, do not forget to submit your request, and your request will be processed within a few business days, so you have to wait a little bit. And after your request is approved, make sure that you find your unique free return label, because without it, you cannot return your item back. So where to find it? Go to your orders and then find order that you want to return, tap on it and go to dispute page. And there you should see your return label. But here's the thing, that you have a deadline of 5 days to find your label. And if you don't do it, if you miss your deadline, your case will be closed and you will be no longer able to reopen your dispute. So make sure you have your label. So download that label and print it out. And then you should carefully pack your parcel and stick your label to it. And after receiving your label, you have 15 days to drop off your parcel at the local post office and basically wait until your package is delivered to the seller back. So that were the main points how you can make a return on AliExpress, but I have some additional instructions to you if you need them. So open whatever item from your homepage, like literally random item, then scroll down to section free returns. Tap here and tap Learn More button. Scroll down and press View More. View More with the section Free Returns right here. And here you have it. So you can see here step-by-step instructions and also some additional information about returns and also refunds on AliExpress. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.